Hello everybody. On today's video, I'm going to give you a few tips on what you can do to get your home ready for the fall and winter. So stick around. Your lawnmower, it's easy to forget. You should run out the gas at the end of the year, and if you don't want to do that, you should go ahead and put stabilizer in anything that you would have ready for the winter, like your lawnmower. You're done with it for the winter. You want to go ahead and put stabilizer in there, maybe your weed eater, maybe your edger, whatever you have that you're not going to be using over the winter time, your chainsaw, stuff like that. Either run the gas all the way out or stabilizer in it. All right, that's number one. Your gutters, you want to make sure they're nice and clean before the snow falls. You want to make sure you get them all out. Luckily, I've got gutter guards, so I don't have to worry about it too much here. Make sure your gutters are clean, otherwise ice and snow will build up underneath your shingles. They'll lift them up, they'll do a little bit of roof damage. You don't want that, so make sure your gutter extensions are on the outside where the drain spouts in down there, so they're running away from your house, and make sure in the top that your gutters are clean. Another thing you really want to make sure you do is this might be the most important thing, but you need to have somebody, if you have a sprinkler system or an irrigation system, you want to have somebody come out and blow these lines out and winterize it for the winter. If they don't, they'll expand. You'll have a bunch of busted pipes come springtime. So you want to make sure that's probably the first thing you really need to do. Another thing you do, if you have any hoses, I've already taken mine and I put them down in the basement. Detach all of your hoses. You want to make sure that those don't freeze up over the winter. That's really easy. Just unscrew it, take the hoses off, put them in the basement, put them in the garage, wherever you want to. But there's another tip. Let's move on to the next one. All right, I love my yard, so I really try to take care of it. One thing you should probably do if you have a lot of tall grasses like these here, you want to cut them all down, take that, do that in the fall. That way they grow back nice and healthy in the springtime. I do that with my grasses. I do it with just about anything that I want to grow back in the spring. So I actually did that last weekend. Here, take a look at my yard. I'm very proud of it. Only this is all flowers and tall grasses and stuff. And I actually came through and I got all the leaves up just last weekend while it was nice out. That way come springtime, it's ready to be fertilized and ready to go. So pick up all your leaves too. That's another tip. All right, now I'm back inside the house. If you have a fireplace, especially a wood burning fireplace, you want to make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want any rascally critter nest, bird nest or something like that up there. So take a flashlight, look on up there, make sure it's clean. Go up on your roof, look down it, check around, make sure there's no bird's nest up there before you start any fires. So there's another tip. And if you want to have a contractor come out to do an inspection too, if you're a little bit nervous, they can always check the chimney for you as well. All right, I'm down in my basement now. So what you also want to make sure you do is you want to check your filters. This is a great time to clean your filters and replace them, which you should be doing every month, maybe every 3 months, but you want to do that as well. So let's go grab one of the filters and check the furnace. As you can see, I need to do a better job of organizing around my furnace. But you want to take the filters out, change those, check them, clean them. I date mine. Well, I should be dating mine. Anyways, it's a good idea to date when you put it in last or when you're supposed to replace it last. Have somebody come out. Let me flip this around. Dang, what I need to do is a winter project for me needs to be to clean out these storage areas. But anyways, it's a good time to have somebody come and check your filter, make sure it's clean, just do a quick tune-up. You want to make sure when it comes to the snowfall that you're all set and you're not going to have furnace problems once the temperatures really start to drop. So, all right, if you're ready to look at houses, let me know, 574-229-6803. We'll talk to you later.